Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation English level 2. I will begin with a presentation of myself, then talk about my trip experience in the Mesa of the Santos, after the weather in the Mesa of the Santos, and to finish I will recommendation if you go to the Mesa of the Santos. My name is Daniela Calderon Rincon. I am from San Gil. I live in Bucaramanga. I am 18 years old. I study environmental engineering. I am single. I live with my mother. I like listen to music, to read and watch movies. I like time with my family and friends and pets. I have 2 dogs and 2 birds. Weekend and the Mesa of the Santos. Last weekend I went to the Mesa of the Santos in Bucaramanga. I stayed there 2 days and went with my mother, father, sisters and cousin. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the Peasant Plaza and I liked it a lot. I come back to Dice Ego because my parents on Monday had to work and my cousin had to go to school. The climate of the Mesa of the Santos. The climate of the Mesa of the Santos remains almost the same every day. In the mornings it is sunny and the morning and the nights are freezing. Recommendation. It is important that people wear warm clothes to protect themselves from the cold. It is better that people wear comfortable shoes to travel or place. You should not leave the house without an umbrella. People should visit the Peasant Plaza. People should always use sunscreen. What should you do and what you should not? People should go to the Peasant Plaza. People should not ride bicycle to the Mesa of the Santos. Bye.